Okay, so good morning, y'all. It's currently Sunday morning, 11:42 a.m. I'm about to go get my nails and toes done. I'm still prepping for vacation. I am driving, so I'm gonna see you guys when I get in there. Ready for me? Okay.
Sorry, I forgot to ask your name, please. Sorry.
And I'm also getting a pedicure too. Yeah, the gel pedicure. Start here? Okay. Now that I'm done getting my nails done, I'm trying to think. I had made a list of like other stuff that I either needed to pick up or like needed to get more of. Oh, I need to get a flat iron because the style I plan on doing my hair in, I have to curl it. So we're gonna go get a flat iron, and I'm not trying to buy no crazy flat iron because, to be honest, my natural hair is curly. I don't put heat on my natural hair, so I'm not about to buy $100 flat iron. I'm gonna just get something, you know, quick and simple. Oh, and I also wanted to tell y'all, comment down below where y'all think I'm going, because I'm not gonna reveal it in this video, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for the next video. But I want y'all to comment down below where y'all think I'm going. Whether you think I'm going somewhere warm, comment down below whether you think I'm going somewhere cold. Okay? Comment down below where you think I'm going. Okay, so I ended up just coming to Kohl's to look for a flat iron. It's not automatic. You're welcome. Yeah. So I made it to the flat iron section, and it's not a lot of options, like, at all. They don't have a lot of options. They have like stuff that I probably, I could use a small one like this, cordless ceramic flat iron. I might need something like this, like cordless, easy to take with me. I don't know. Already got this one. Travel compact. I guess we'll see. We'll have to see. Alright, I'm gonna check back in when I choose one. 3 flat iron options. This one. And then this one. This one is actually kind of cute, and then this one. And then I'll see which one I like the best. Alright, so I'm finally back home. Oh, matter of fact, let me show you the flat iron I ended up getting this cute pink one. It was on sale for $25. Alright y'all, so I just had to pick up some like last minute stuff, like definitely for my hair, more little like travel size containers, and also I had picked up like a first aid kit because when I had got my nails done, she had kind of like cut my finger, cut some of my skin underneath her here, and it's like burning a little bit, so I picked up something with band-aids in it. But yeah, this will be like for my hair to help hold my hairstyle. I also had got some heat protectant. This smells really good. And then I just got some of this, you know, because I'm probably gonna have to redo my edges you know, a few times just to like refresh everything. Yeah, I did want to check in with you guys. Those are like the last minute items that I had picked up. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I gotta do. Oh. Alright, so I'm in Uber right now, heading to the airport. Alright, so now we're just walking to the gate that we need to go to. We made it through TSA, checked whatever bags in and stuff. Yep. And don't forget, comment down below where you guys think I'm going. Alright, I'm gonna check in with you guys later. I'm leaving it in the video too. I'm cracking up. Cause now the plane just about to be pulling off for you to be running like that. We made it to the gate that we gotta come to. Don't mind my hair. My curls literally fell. I'm gonna have to recurl them. But it's okay, cause this loose curl is still kind of cute. But look at this. I think it's like, hold on. How cute is this? I love how updated this is. Well, I also haven't been here at the airport in like a long time, so this could have been here before. Yeah, so right now we're still just waiting. I'm definitely gonna get something to eat and drink. I just don't know what I want. I guess I'll come back on here when I get something to eat and drink. So I ended up just getting Chick-fil-A. I got some chicken nuggets and also some fries. I'm gonna check back in with you guys a little later when I finish eating. I just got finished eating, but I did want to come on here and close out this video. The next video you guys will see is when I get to my destination. Can we just look at my curls for a second, because the rain literally made them fall. But it's okay, because I bought a flat iron to recurl them, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
And if you need any assistance, please let us know. If you are seated in emergency row exit seat, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. You may be required to open the exit in an emergency. Please let a flight attendant